Hi, Phil here with a 2013 Subaru Impreza. We have this in today to upgrade the factory fog light location to our new SLF LED bulbs. Installation only requires basic hand tools and should take you about 15 minutes or so. Let's go ahead and get started. To gain access to the fog light bulbs, we'll need to pull this fender liner back. To do that, we'll need to remove these two pop rivets with a simple wedge tool or flathead screwdriver, whatever you have handy. It's can be a little bit of a pain to get out, but simply wedge this guy in there and get it removed. Do the same process. Now, if you find yourself needing more room, you can also remove this 10mm bolt up here to gain a little bit more flexibility with the liner. But once these guys are out, simply pop it away from the bumper and pull it back to gain access to the bulb. With the liner pulled back, you'll simply want to squeeze the clips on the side of the bulb and then gently pull it out from the housing. With the stock bulb out of the housing, you'll need to press on the tab on the back of the connector to release the bulb itself. Now you can take your Diode Dynamics LED upgrade, insert it into the socket, and clip it into place. Now these bulbs are polar sensitive, so if it doesn't light, this will be what you need to rotate 180 degrees and plug back in. Also, with this type of connection, we would generally recommend applying dielectric grease to the actual socket itself to make sure you seal out any moisture or intrusion. You can now return the bulb to the housing and snap it into place. Secure your driver or any wiring that might be loose. Repeat the process on the other side to complete this installation. Now that we've completed our installation, we'll have a more usable output with a DOT compliant output pattern thanks to our SLF fog light bulbs. For more information on these products, visit us at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.